All right, guys, so we have this 2018 Subaru Crosstrek, and we are changing the headlight bulbs, and they're halogen right now, and they are H11s, and we're going to be replacing with the LED H11s Lasfit, and this is how they look, and this is a before reference, so we can show you guys. All right, so stay tuned, and we are going to get prepared for the install.
All right, guys. So to get this done is pretty simple. Don't let this intimidate you. It's actually just like a little add-on tube they have here for the snorkel. It's really easy to remove. It's just held on by these two push clips or trim clips. On this one, you should be able to just spin them out by turning them out, but it kept spinning here, so it looks like when the customer might have removed this a couple times, because you can see he does this for off-roading, so he must take his car apart a couple times to wash it and all that stuff. But so all I did was just pretty much get a flathead, put it right under it. You can actually see there's like little openings right here. Okay, you can just slide in the flat edge of it and just pry it up, and it comes out just like that. So this is what I'm talking about right here. Okay, it literally fits right perfectly right there, and just pry it up, and it should pop out. And you can see it actually is threaded, but I couldn't get it out just by spinning it. So once you get a little bit up, just pops out. So put that to the side. This one's already loose too. And pretty much at this point, all you do is just carefully lift it up. It comes off just like that. Nothing else is holding it in place. I'll put that to the side. And we're gonna start with the headlights. It'll be our Lasfit H11s, okay? And it'll be this ones. And it's very simple. Once you got this removed, you can see that your bulb is right here. Is this one right there? We're gonna put the bulb to the side for now, and pretty much all you're gonna do is push the clip in, slide the plug off, okay, counterclockwise to remove the bulb. It comes off just like that, okay? So we're gonna put that to the side. You're gonna get your new bulb, line it up. Right there. And always check your work. So right there is good. And by checking, you want to look at here at your actual housing. You can see that we have the chips on the left and right position, or 9 and 3 o'clock position. Not sure if you can actually see it there, but if you were looking here, the bulb should look like this. It should be in this position. Okay, so the chips 9 and 3 o'clock. If you have it anything like this or like this, and you know you got it in wrong, so you can actually adjust it in case this happens to be installed incorrectly. You remove the little screw. You can spin this and adjust it to two other more positions, and it'll give you different angles, okay? But this one came in no problem. It went in and it installed correctly. And now we're gonna plug it in, okay? Okay, that's plugged in. These are polarity sensitive, so if you don't plug it in correctly, it won't light up. So I'll test it right now. I'll turn it on and see if it turns on. All right, guys, so I'm testing it now. There you go. You see the lights turning on, so everything's good. In case it doesn't light up, don't think the bulb is bad. Simply disconnect it and flip the connector over and reconnect again, and it should light up, okay? So we're going to continue doing the next procedure on the passenger side, the driver's side, okay? So we completed the passenger, and we're going to do the same thing in the driver's side, except removing the snorkel or the little intake tube, okay? So pretty much now, your low beam is going to be right here. You can even see it from up here. It's actually right there. That's the bulb, if you can see that. literally right here where I'm pointing at. But in case you can't see it, no worries. Just go to the back right here. Same thing, just push in the clip and slide the bulb out, the connector off, okay? Just like that, that's your actual connector. And if you want, let me borrow that real quick, just to show you, we can see it from up here. It's the bulb right there. If you can zoom in, maybe get closer. And there it is. There you have it, guys. Is that right there? You see the little square right here where it's shining off? That's the bulb itself, okay? So I'm gonna put that right there and see if we can get it with my hand in there. Counterclockwise to pull out. Just like that, okay? So we're gonna get this some more, put that to the side. Put the bulb to the side. At this point, you can get your new bulb. Same procedure. And again, you want to check your work. Make sure that you got the bulb aiming correctly. You can see right there the actual PCB board. The kind of like bluish tint there right there. That's, you know, you got the chips facing left and right, okay? If you see silver, then you know you got it wrong. At that point, just plug in your cable. So cool thing, there's enough space here. What I was talking about earlier is this. Our bulbs, to make it easy, not sure you guys can see that, but there's a plus and minus symbol on the actual plug. Okay, and what you want to do, you want to align those symbols to the actual corresponding cable, okay? So green should be power, and the stripe one, the black and white, should be your ground. So make sure that plus goes into the green, okay? So the plus is on this side, so I'm gonna connect it like this. Okay, it's in. Again, plus with green and negative with the stripe cable. And we're gonna plug it in, light it up. And there you have it, that completes the installation. Simple as that. Make sure you put your intake tube back in place, lock it in place as well so it doesn't fly off while you're driving. And that's pretty much it. And we'll give you a look at the pattern itself as well. And there you have it, guys. Nice clean cutoff line, and you're gonna get more light out of this. You're gonna be able to see further, and you got a wider spread as well. So guys, if you have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.